So this is LeetCode 1351, count negative numbers in the sorted matrix. So here we're given a grid, and each row and each column is sorted in decreasing order. And we're basically told to count every negative number in that grid. So an easy, quick way to do it, but non-efficient way to do it would just be brute force, where you have one for loop for all the columns and one for loop for each row. And basically you'd visit each one of these numbers, and if it's negative, you add it to our count. That works, but it's not efficient. An easier way to do it, well, a quicker way to do it would basically be we go column by column, and once there's a negative number, we know that for a fact all the numbers after it are going to be negative as well. So if we were here, for example, in this column, we see 2 is positive, we continue. See 1 is positive, we continue. Then here we see that this is a negative number. And since it's in decreasing order, we know for a fact that the next numbers will all be negative as well. So that'll save a lot of time if, in this one, for example, see the first value is negative, we just add the whole length of that row. So to do this, we're going to want to instantiate a count. We're going to want to instantiate the row length. So let's do column length. That's going to just be grid.length. And we're also going to want to instantiate the row length. From here, we're going to want 2 for loops. We'll check the columns first, and then we're going to want to check. Then we're going to want to check the rows. So here, all we need is a single if statement, and then we're going to return the count at the end. The statement, we're going to want to check if this current value, which is going to be grid I, j, is less than 0. And if it's less than 0, that means that the rest of the values within that column are guaranteed to be negative as well. So we'll add it to the count, prefix notation, add it to the count. We're going to want to get the length of the row. We're going to want to subtract it from j. And that'll basically get us the whole length. So here it'd be 4. If we were at j here, this is j equals 2. We're going to do 4 minus 2, which is 2, which are going to be the last values in that grid. We're also going to want to break that so that it doesn't accidentally count, so that it stops the for loop and continues, basically. And this should give us a very quick solution. Yep.